Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised return. First, understand that a revised return, also known as an amended return, is necessary when you find mistakes on a tax return you've already submitted. This could be due to overlooked income, missed deductions, or incorrect credits. The process involves using a specific form to correct these errors, ensuring your tax obligations are accurately reported to the IRS. To amend your federal individual income tax return, you'll primarily use Form 1040X, amended U.S., Individual Income Tax Return. This form allows you to correct errors on a previously filed Form 1040. You'll need to enter the original amounts, the corrected amounts, and explain the differences. Remember to attach any new or changed schedules, like Schedule A for itemized deductions, to support your revisions. When preparing your revised return, it's crucial to include all necessary supporting documentation. This means attaching any corrected forms or schedules that were impacted by your changes. For example, if you're adjusting income, include the revised W-2 or 1099 forms. It's also a good practice to keep a full copy of your amended return, along with all attachments, for your personal records. Once your Form 1040X is complete with all attachments, you'll need to mail it to the appropriate IRS address. The instructions for Form 1040X will provide the correct mailing address based on your location. Typically, you have 3 years from the date you filed your original return or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to file an amended return. You can check its status online.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.